Vixmatech menawarkan kursus AutoCAD 2D dan 3D, dan kursus ni terbuka kepada semua golongan, including students and contractors. This is our sample certificate, as you can see, and you can also see this is our training center that can occupy around 10 students. But normally bila kami conduct tu, kami conduct dalam 6 hingga 8 orang student, so it's not that crowded lah. And then I'll give you a demonstration about this AutoCAD software that will teach you in this course. So apa yang students akan belajar di dalam kursus ni. So basically kami akan memperkenalkan semua button-button ni. Macam contohnya button line, macam mana nak lukis line, circle, macam mana nak guna move command. So kami akan ajar dari mula lah. So peserta tu tak perlu tahu langsung pasal AutoCAD. So it doesn't matter if you are zero knowledge, you are actually eligible for this course, for this AutoCAD 2D and 3D course. So I'll give you a demonstration on how that you can draw this technical drawing using this software. So let's say if I were to draw a line, okay, which has a length of 5, okay, and this is also 5, okay. So you can see how simple in this software you can enter measurement, and you can even enter like 3.3 like that, okay. It doesn't matter what kind of measurement that you draw, what kind of units that you use, okay. AutoCAD can accept several types of units. So, and AutoCAD can actually turn whatever you draw into 3D in just a matter of seconds. So semua ni akan diajar di dalam kursus ni lah. So I'll give you a demonstration apa yang akan belajar ni semua. So I akan tunjukkan macam mana I convert shape ni semua ke 3D. So I can actually tukar view, I can change view here, okay. And I can definitely easily extrude this using this software. So dia tak ada masalah lah guna software ni. Dia agak straightforward dan sesiapa pun boleh masuk. Dan kita akan memperkenalkan komand-komand ni kepada student, okay, dari mula lah. That means we will show the introduction of the buttons from the very beginning. So it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, you are still you boleh masuk kursus ni, tak ada masalah lah. And kursus ni juga you akan dapat sijil lepas you have completed this course. And sijil tu akan membawa mata 20 mata CCD dari CIDB. So let's say if I draw a box like that, I can draw a box and I can definitely set the parameter of the box by right clicking properties. So I can include lah length dia, width dia berapa, height dia berapa kat sini kan. I boleh tebuk dia. You can see how I can use this software and I can actually generate this 3D very fast. I can even perform revolve command using this software for mechanical engineering punya objects lah. So I just give you a demonstration of this software. So you boleh tengok, okay, I sekarang tengah offsetkan objek ni supaya objek ni mempunyai ketebalan. Then I trim this part, I trim that part, okay, sebab I nakkan objek tu mempunyai ketebalan lah. Okay, this is just a demonstration. So bila dalam kursus ni kita akan demonstrate kepada student lah macam mana dia punya teknik dia semua. Lepas tu student akan buat, and then masa student tu buat pun kami akan the trainers will actually monitor their progress individually. So masa kita demo kat dia, student tu akan tengok pakai projector. Lepas student tu dah tengok pakai projector tu, bila student tu buat solo, the trainers will actually monitor their progress and see whatever guidance that they need lah. Okay, so you can see in front how I revolve this particular object. Okay, so if I 3D orbit this, you can see I've just generated this using this AutoCAD software. Okay, and I can even slice this part, right? I can slice this part, and I can move this part to the other side. So you boleh potong-potong lah dalam 3D ni, kita boleh potong-potong. Kita boleh slice dia, kita boleh slice dia sengit macam ni. Kita boleh slice apa-apa objek lah sebenarnya, bukan je objek ni. Okay, apa-apa objek kita boleh potong-potong dia. Even for this building pun, I pun boleh potong this building. Let's say if I want to build a roof ke apa kan, so I can potong, I can cut this part, right? I can delete off that part if I want to generate or visualize roofs, okay? Dinding tapi I nak letak atap ke apa kan. So definitely yang bahagian konkret ni I kena delete that part kan. So select that, delete. So you can see how easy it is to generate that. And I can turn it around whichever view that I want. I can also go to top view and perform dimensioning. So I boleh ukur dia. So I boleh ukur dia dari sini ke sini berapa. Okay, I boleh ukur dia daripada sini ke sini berapa. Okay, so kalau you berminat untuk masuk kursus ni, you bolehlah layari laman web kita www.vixmertech.com. Okay, you boleh layari laman web kita www.vixmertech.com, dan you can click the green button hijau yang kat atas website tu yang tulis daftar online. You can click on that button and you can fill up the online registration form and you can submit it, okay, for booking or registration. Thank you.